Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to play rain sounds on iPhone. So if you have an iPhone and you want to play rain sound, maybe to enhance your sleep, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do is go ahead and open the phone app, scroll down, locate and click on accessibility. Scroll down and then click on audio and visual under hearing. Once you click on that, you'll see background sound. So go ahead and click on background sounds. Then you should see sound, click on that and make sure you select rain here. Once selected the rain sound, hit the back button and then come here, turn on background sound. You can also adjust the volume here. You see that? You can also use the media button to increase or reduce the volume. Now, if you want to stop play sound when locked, just turn this on. And if you want to continue to play sound, then to increase it, use this or use this. So, you see that? So it's advisable to set the raise sound to average and then adjust with the media volume. So that's exactly how to play raise sound on iPhone. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.